Hey guys, so for today's video I did this sultry smoky plum spotlight eye. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. Also, by clicking the little bell button you will be notified whenever I post. And while you guys are down there, check out my social media, my Instagram and my Snapchat. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start on my eyes and I'm going to take the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom palette. So I'm going to start with Sweetheart and I'm going to sweep that all over my crease. I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette and I'm going to take this middle pink shade. I'm just going to put this into my crease. Next, I'm going to take Rebel from the Tarte palette and I'm going to apply this all over my crease. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I? Now I'm going to take Leader and I'm going to start buffing that into my outer and inner corner. Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? So I went in with MAC's I'm Into It eyeshadow because the purple I was trying to use came out really like dark brownish. So I went in with this to try to make it a little bit more purple. I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape and Light Sand and do a halo eye. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm going to take this kind of like silvery color and I'm going to place it all over my lid. Then I'm just going to blend out the edges with that same MAC eyeshadow. For foundation, I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Pro Glow in 204. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always... For concealer, I'm going to apply the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I love the touch, but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch, but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? I'm going to cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. To set under my eyes, I'm going to go into the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm going to use these two lighter shades. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Anastasia Contour in Cinnamon. For blush, I'm going to take the Botanics Mineral Blusher in Lotus Pink. For highlight, I'm going to mix the Wet n Wild highlighters in Blossom Glow and Precious Petals. For lips, I applied the Milani lipstick in Matte Innocence and the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Driver. Also, I didn't mention earlier, but I am wearing the little lashes in the style Miami. So that was the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Tarte Pro Glow? No, that is not what it's called. I'm going to cream contour in Cinnamon. Into the shade. Contour kit